Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna make roast leg of lamb, New Zealand lamb, and stuffed with prosciutto, rosemary, garlic, Italian parsley, shallots, pepper, sage, and garlic. And salt I got, chili pepper I have, paprika I have, garlic powder and olive oil. Very simple to make. So that's all you need. So let's get started. This is the leg of lamb. All you do is wash and clean and spread it out. First, all you do is take a boning knife, hook into anywhere you like, and put in the garlic. To make it more flavor and taste good when you roast the lamb. This is New Zealand boneless leg of lamb. Very simple, right? Just poke a hole and stuff it in. Anybody can do it. Okay, once you got all that in, I'm going to use my rosemary, chop, sprinkle into my lamb. Second, I have some dry sage. You can use fresh, but I don't have fresh, so we use dry. Okay, put on. Give them nice flavor so it doesn't have too smelly lamb. Some people can eat lamb, but this way everybody can eat it. And then parsley, Italian. Alright. Okay, now I put in my black pepper. And then my chili pepper, a little bit, so give them nice flavor and bring out the flavor. Not too much, otherwise too spicy. Paprika. Garlic powder, and fresh garlic, and a little bit shallots. And next thing is the prosciutto stuff. See, just lie anywhere you like. So simple, but prosciutto is a dry, clear pork. It will bring out the lamb flavor when you roast it. I love prosciutto. It tastes good. Depends how much you like the prosciutto. You can put more on if you like, but I love it, so I'm gonna put a little bit more. There we go. And that for that part. Now I do salt and pepper now. Don't have to be too much, because already we have prosciutto, already salty. So Sprinkle some on. Okay. I should put in the meat, but that's okay. It will all go together well. Because I have to seasoning the outside too, so it does not really matter. Okay. Now all we have to do is roll it up, just like that. See how I go? I go this way. You can see. Just roll it up. Roll it up. And roll it up. See? Now you have a roast leg of lamb. And all we have to do now is tie it up. So when you roast it, it stays safe, okay? Okay, here I got string, cooking string. So I'm gonna start from bottom up to the top, and I'm gonna make a knot like that. Okay, 2 times, and then just tie it like that. So you can pull it in, see it will squeeze in. And next one, you do like this, you see that? Like that. And then you put underneath your lamb, you pull it this way, then just adjustment to make it look nice. Second one, same way, like that. See that? Put your hand in there. See, like that, and this way. And pull it up. So simple. It doesn't look that hard. When you see it hard, it doesn't look that hard. Just keep doing it until you hit to the end. See, make it nice and even there. Look good like that. See? Good. One more. Maybe. Go. Okay. All you now check everything is nice and tight. All you have to do is just go like this, turn the lamb, and go measurement that way. Take a scissor that long, cut it. So you're done with this string. Now all you do is go here, knock it in, from behind, like that, and like that, and then like that. Just try the string that you did, and keep on doing to the front, like that, and then now turn this way. Just tie this to the other end that you got before. And there you go. Okay. Next step, you have to seasoning the lamb. First, you use salt, sea salt from the outside. Not too much, but enough to keep, flavor and seasoning nice. Just roll your lamb around. Okay. Second, and keep some garlic powder. Garlic powder, see that? And then I'm gonna use my paprika to make it nice color, so it will look good and taste good. Just drop it, a little bit, drop it. Okay. Now, and pepper, and then fresh garlic, and rosemary, Okay, a little bit shallot if you like. And that it. Like that. And then a little bit olive oil for the outside. So use your hand, massage them. All the ingredients will bind together. Let's keep rolling. Massage, okay? See how it smells? Already smell nice. Massage everywhere, so look like you got everything in place. That's how you stuff rosemary, prosciutto. Beautiful. So you roll in the oven for 350. Take about 45 minutes, rough. If you want medium rare, should be good. If you want well done, a little bit longer. I got my oven turned at 400 to heat it up. Now 350 should be good. There we go. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.